everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Spectacular rough surface clouds and arc cumulus clouds reappeared today in central and northern Shanghai, indicating that these convective cells are developing very rapidly. Currently, for warnings of thunder and lightning, strong winds, heavy rain and hail hang in the sky in Shanghai. Heavy rain and wind increased. Communities and related agencies need to be vigilant and pay attention to prevent subsequent disasters such as flash floods, debris flows, and flooding in small and medium rivers which may be caused by high rainfall. Recently, in Qingyuan, Guangdong, flooding was caused by heavy rains for several days. At 6 o'clock today, Jiangxi experienced heavy rains, and rivers in many places swelled and flowed into urban areas. A car caught in the flood after a sudden rain in the Shaosu reclamation area. At the critical moment, the police quickly launched a rescue and moved the 4 people trapped in the car to safety in time. Recently, a sudden rainstorm in Guangdong trapped 4 people in Hengling Village, Matu Town, Xinfeng County, Shaoguan City. On the evening of June 29th, heavy rain continued in parts of Weifang, Shandong. The short-term rainfall in Wujing City and Songshon County in Ningxiu County exceeded 146.6 millimeters. Rivers overflowed sharply, and flash floods of up to 1 meter sent Wujing Town to Yangcheng Village. Extreme flooding that has battered southern and eastern provinces in China, leading to hundreds of thousands being evacuated and the highest rainfall in decades at the Pearl River Basin, will likely continue in July and August, according to a government official. It is predicted that from July to August, there will be more extreme weather events in China, and regional flood conditions and drought conditions will be heavier than usual, said Yao Wenguang, director of the Department of Flood and Drought Prevention in China. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our next video.